हेलो बेटा। देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है हमें। टू पार्टिकल्स आर प्रोजेक्टेड फ्रॉम टू टावर्स साइमल्टेनियसली। ओके, दे हैव थ्रोन द stone simultaneously. Okay, as shown in the figure, what should be the value of d? Now what is the value of this d for their collision? Means when we project from point A and B, for example they meet over this point, right? So now we have to find, if they collide over there, then what is the distance between d if their velocities are this. So one more thing, when we throw from point A, so we are throwing in a upward direction, right? So the height must be more than 10, right? But in this case from point B, when we are throwing in a horizontal direction, so its direction must be downward, right? Downward. So the height must be lesser than 20. Okay, now come to the point. Okay, now if I take here y a equals to 10. Now 10 is the uh, current height. Okay, now the distance is s is equals to ut minus half gt square. Now this is the displacement from the height 10, right? Now take this equation 1. Now for yb, it will be 20 plus uyt minus half gt square. Now in this case the horizontal velocity will be 0, so this term will become 0, right? So it will become 20 minus half gt square. Now this is equation 2 and it is yb. Now when they collide over this point, their both height from the ground will be equal, right? So can I take ya and yb as equal? Okay, now I am taking ya is equals to yb. Now what you will see here, if ya and yb are equal, then 10 plus uyt minus half gt square is equals to 20 minus half gt square. Yes, now this portion and this portion will get cancelled. Yes, getting my point? This portion and this portion will get cancelled because of the same sign. Now take 10 over right side. So what we will get? See, uyt is equals to 20 minus 10. Now what is uy? Now look at here. If the velocity is 10 root 2, then the vertical velocity will be, now the angle is 45. So 10 root, so okay, yes, now this velocity will be 10 because the angle is 45 now. Okay, so I am taking uy as 10 here. Now 10t is equals to 10, so t is 1 second now. Now after 1 second they will collide. Now what is the range? Now come to the point, what is the range? So for the point A, I am taking r is equals to uxt. Okay, now what is ux? Ux is 10, now t is 1. So the rx, the distance for x is 10 meter. This is for rx. Now what is for the point B? Now come here. Okay, now I am talking about point B. Now for point B, RB is equals to UXT. Now UXT is 10 and this is 1, so it is 10 meter. Now total R is RX plus RY, so it is 20 meter, right? So the D is 20 meter. So this is our final answer. 20 meter is the original distance between A and B. Okay, thank you.